Hello everyone. Welcome back to the another project idea series of Codersarts. So in this video we are going to develop a new application called as the BookWarm. So basically we are going to develop a 24 into 7 online bookstore, basically by which we are going to order books from our application. So we are going to develop this type of e-commerce website or application. So let's move to the introduction part. So basically, the project name that we have suggested to you is the BookWarm, and the objective for developing this project is to develop the online bookstore app that provide the users with the convenience of shopping for books and from their comfort of their homes. So by sitting at the home, they can order the books from your application. So what is the target audience of this application? So basically, students, book lovers, and anyone who is looking to purchase books easily and efficiently, so they can use our application. So what is the problem statement? Basically, physical bookstores have the limited hours and stocks. So they have the limited stocks and limited hour that they can only just open to the 8 hour to 9 hour of the shop during the daytime only. And students and the reader are often struggle to find the specific book in the local store. So if students and the readers that want to require a specific book, so they can't be able to get from the local store. So this is the main problem. And the third one is the time constraint, uh, and the busy schedule like make it difficult to visit to the bookstore. So these are the basic three problems that we are going to tackle in this solution of bookworm application. So the solution is bookworm provides a comprehensive online platform which the user can browse, purchase, and have a book delivered to their doorstep at any time. So we are going to provide this solution, like we are going to develop our application which can be used for deliver the book at the doorstep. So I'm moving to the next slide. What are the key features that we are going to provide in our application? Basically, user friendly interface, UI interface, which is very important for the user navigation and the search functionality to find the book quickly. And after that, the second is the extensive catalog, wide range of books across the various genre and category. So we are going to provide the extensive catalog as well. A secure payment option, multiple payment gateway that we are going to integrate, like PayPal, Strips, and Razorpay, and etc. if you want. So and the fourth one is for the order tracking. We are going to track all the order during the real time tracking from the purchase to the delivery. And the fifth one for the reviews and rating, and you are able to review and rate your products if you purchase from our website or application. So you are just able to generate your own decision, and user generated reviews for rating help to make their informed decisions as well. Wish list and favorites, and these are the basic feature that we are going to provide in this application. User can save their book they are interested in for the future purchases. So these are the basic 6 feature that we are going to provide, and if you wanted to add some more feature, you can also suggest us. And let's just move to the next part. So what we are going to implementation plan is, we are going to create a UI design. First of all, like that, we are going to design the UI mockups and browsing, searching, and purchasing book, and focus on the clean design and easy to use. And the second one, we are going to develop the backend for it, and we have the team for developing the backend as well. So we are going to set up the database for the book listing, account, user, and order management and all. And after that, we are going to integrate the secure payment gateway for the PayPal, Stripes, or any other like Razorpay and etc. we have going to use. And we are going to implement the user interface by using the React Native framework, Flutter framework, or any other Android framework if you wanted. And then after, we are going to conduct the testing and conduct through a testing functionality, usability, and security. And fifth one, we are going to deploy the application on the Google Play Store and provide the ongoing support as well. So these are the basic implementation plan that we are going to follow for develop this application. And what is the benefits for the user? Basically, for user, the convenient shopping, extensive book catalog, 24 into 24/7 availability, like help support that you are going to provide. For students, time saving, easy to access course, reading materials. And for developers, hands-on experience in developing the real world and e-commerce application. What is the future enhancement we are going to do in our application is, we are going to integrate the AI and support for the ebooks and the audiobooks, and collaboration with the authors with the exclusive book releases and events. loyalty program and subscription services, that is services for the regular customer, and we are going to provide some offers as well in the future enhancement, like if our idea is going to execute it smoothly in the market. So these are the basic things that we are going to implement. So thank you everyone. So if you have any idea, or if you wanted to execute this idea in the Android application development, that you can just drop a mail to the contact@codersarts.com. We are always here to assist you. So thank you everyone.